Hello guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. So, how to set up automatic reply on WhatsApp Business? Well, it's really simple, so bear with me. On your App Store or Play Store, whichever it is, I'd like you to download this regulator app right here, which is Shortcut. And once you're done with installing this one, you just basically click on allow as a modem for this one in order for this to pop up if you are in any messaging system except for Messenger. Like, say for example, if you open up the chat here, as you can see, this is basically, since we downloaded it already, just click here on this man icon here when you're trying to message on WhatsApp. Then it'll automatically go to the setting up details here when you want to send this, weekly, monthly. Then there you have it. You can just basically send it whenever it is you'd like 20th, December 20th, and click on send. That's just basically it. So thank you so much for watching Tech Trick Tutorials, and you guys have a nice day.